Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can install unknown application on your Android. Please friends, put your likes under the video, write comments after watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get into this topic. And I'm going to show you the whole process from the beginning. First of all, friends, you will need to open the settings on your Android. After that, scroll down to the bottom and find the Apps option or App Management, whatever you want to call it. Next, either you will immediately have a list of all the apps that you have, or you will need to go to the apps list like I did. And here, in the search box, type the word Chrome. Click on Chrome. Now friends, scroll down and find this option right here, which is called Install Unknown App. Next, you just need to simply, when you open Chrome, to allow the installation of apps from Chrome. To do that, you will just need to click on this button right here. By doing so, you will allow downloading an unknown app. By unknown app, we mean an app that you will not download from the App Store, but from Google or Chrome, for example. But such downloads are still risky, so friends, check well the site you are downloading from so that it is a reliable site. And always check if you have this option enabled while downloading. This is the way you will be able to install unknown app on your Android. I really hope this video helped you and was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.